It doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Oh yeah, here we go. Fast and Furious D-Case has just arrived today, and it is hot off the truck. And guess what? I'm going to do a bonus for our giveaway videos. We're going to give away both sets of what's in this case today, guys. Let's go over the list again one more time. 2 sets of Retro on Saturday. 2 winners of Gran Turismo on Saturday. 2 sets of Car Culture L-Case. 3 sets of Gran Turismo 2. Super Treasure Hunt Porsche. 2 Zamac 8-car sets. 3 cool classic winners. 2 cargo winners. And we're going to do 2 Fast and Furious Car Culture D-Case winners, guys. It doesn't get much better than this. I love getting surprised by cases. We didn't know this was coming in today. But without further ado, we're going to get into this case. Check this out, guys. Fast and Furious D. So, obviously, you guys know that car culture is awesome. And the Fast and Furious line has been just smoking hot. Here is a top-down view of it. Oh, yeah. Julian has been crushing it on the card backs, and these look great. Okay, so we're going to go 2 by 2. Looks like they're perfectly packed. 2 per case. 10 pieces per case, which means there's 2 sets. So the very first car in the set, 2 per case, is the Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. This one's a little bit hard to see probably because it's very, very dark and it's kind of a matte black finish. This is sick, guys. Look at the card back. This is definitely why we love to do what we do over here at Wheel Collectors. When you get a new premium case in that's this good, whew, makes you feel good. All right, car number 2. Is the Subaru Impreza WRX-STI, again 2 per case. This particular kind of car for me just got a phone call. Here we go. So this is the Subaru Impreza WRX-STI, and this is one of my favorite cars. I actually owned an 07, which was the year before they went to this body style, but this car handles like a boss. I love it. Very nice car. The next car, again, 2 per case, is the Fast and Furious 91 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Look at that thing. It's got the Mercedes-Benz on the tire cover there. It's got the army green to it. It's got the roll cage on it. Sweet. Unbelievable. The next to last car in the case, again, 2 per case, is the Hummer H1. Definitely a desert tone to the paint. Very military vehicle looking, just like the movie. Very cool. And then the very last car in the case. Again, 2 per case, is the 67 Off-Road Camaro. Look at that thing. So cool. All right. Here we go. Top-down view of the case. I'm just going to add this to our giveaway on Saturday, guys. This set right here is going to go to a subscriber. This set right here is going to go to someone that comments on the set. Thanks again for joining us. This is Wheel Collectors hot off the truck. Hope you're having a good week. Thanks, guys.